Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the show where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most incredible tree species on our planet, the giant sequoia. To start, let's define what a giant sequoia is in everyday language. A giant sequoia is a massive, long-lived tree that grows in the Sierra Nevada mountains of California. These trees are truly giants, with some specimens reaching heights of over 250 feet and living for up to 3,000 years. But why are they so significant in the natural world? Well, aside from their impressive size and age, giant sequoias play a crucial role in their ecosystems, providing habitat for countless species of plants and animals. The evolutionary history of giant sequoias dates back to the Mesozoic era, over 200 million years ago. Fossil records show that these trees have remained largely unchanged since then, making them a living link to the past. The first scientific documentation of giant sequoias was made by European explorers in the mid-19th century, who were amazed by their massive size and longevity. From a scientific perspective, giant sequoias belong to the genus Sequoiadendron, which is a type of coniferous tree. They are closely related to other sequoia species, such as the coast redwood and the dawn redwood. One key researcher who contributed significantly to our understanding of giant sequoias is Dr. Stephen Sillett, a botanist who has spent his career studying these trees. His work has shown that giant sequoias have a unique ability to survive and thrive in challenging environments, thanks to their deep roots and specialized foliage. One of the most interesting discoveries is that these trees are able to resist disease and pests due to their chemical defenses. For example, they produce a chemical called terpene, which has been shown to repel insects and prevent fungal infections. Additionally, studies have found that giant sequoias have a unique relationship with fungi in their roots, which helps them absorb nutrients from the soil. In terms of ecological relationships, giant sequoias interact with countless other species in their ecosystems. For example, they provide habitat for animals like squirrels, owls, and woodpeckers, which rely on the tree's seeds, acorns, and nesting cavities for survival. They also have a symbiotic relationship with fungi in their roots, as I mentioned earlier, which helps them absorb nutrients from the soil. However, giant sequoias are facing significant environmental challenges, including climate change, drought, and wildfires, which threaten their very existence. Despite these challenges, conservation efforts are underway to protect giant sequoias and their habitats. For example, organizations like the National Park Service and the Sierra Club are working to preserve old-growth forests and restore damaged ecosystems. Additionally, researchers are studying the effects of climate change on giant sequoias and developing strategies to help them adapt to changing conditions. In conclusion, giant sequoias are truly one of the most incredible tree species on our planet. Their massive size, long lifespan, and unique ecological relationships make them a fascinating subject of study. As we continue to learn more about these trees, we are reminded of the importance of preserving our natural world for future generations. So, what can we learn from giant sequoias? Perhaps it's their ability to thrive in challenging environments, or their resilience in the face of adversity. Whatever it is, one thing is certain: giant sequoias inspire us to appreciate and protect the natural beauty and wonder of our planet. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.